Kitchen is I've been busy. Just did a couple of videos. One on my lemon pancakes. You can tell I've taken a bite out of one already. Super delicious. Stay tuned. Don't forget to ring the bell option so you get all my recipes by email. And tell people they don't have to be on Wellness That Works, WWC. I remembered. I still call it Weight Watchers. Just looking after their health, all right? Because, you know, I have meal prep, meal planning, grocery shopping ideas, and all my podcasts. Today, I took a bunch of almonds, super easy, simple, ridiculous, and as much as you want, and put it on a cooking sheet. I just take some tinfoil or parchment paper, and I just spray it with a little bit of olive oil spray that I buy at Walmart, but you can use any brand. I use the Kirkland, whatever you want. Preheat it to 350 and bake it. Like you also have to just turn them over a little bit as you're making these delicious almonds, sliced almonds. And I like to use them for so many of my baking recipes, or just as a nash or snack, as you want to call it. So 1 tablespoon is 1 Smart Point, and they're super crispy and brings out lots of flavor for your muffins, for your pancakes, for your yogurt desserts, on your oatmeal for breakfast, lunch, all right? Even your dinner on vegetables. Super delicious, easy peasy. Stick it in the oven. Just keep an eye on them. I'd say for about every 3-4 minutes, just take your spatula and move it around, and you'll get them as dark as you want, all right? And super amazing, okay? Just a simple idea, really simple idea that probably a lot of you already know, and you can do that with any type of nut or seed even, and just enjoy them as is. You can add them to your cereal as well. Just so many things. I love sprinkling them on my yogurt and your frozen yogurt, your ice cream, your low-fat ice cream, different ideas, all right? Cookies. I'm thinking about all the different things that I can be doing with these. Anyways, I hope you love this recipe. Very easy, ridiculously easy. And continue to subscribe. Tell anybody who's on a journey. Doesn't, like I said, doesn't have to be WW. And of course, subscribe to my channel. Take care. Mwah. Bye for now.